In asset-intensive industries, every second of downtime counts. But what if you could report and resolve equipment issues faster than ever before? Introducing Unvired Mobile EAM's powerful notification feature, your key to lightning-fast issue reporting and resolution. With just a few taps on your mobile device, you can instantly report equipment problems, provide detailed descriptions and photos, create notifications even without internet, enable swift action from maintenance teams. Let's see how it works. First, navigate to the Equipment Details screen and tap Create Notification. Quickly describe the issue and choose between a maintenance request or malfunction report. Add crucial details like priority and failure modes in seconds. Capture the problem visually. Take photos, annotate them, and add descriptions to give technicians a clear picture. Hit save, and your notification is ready to sync with your SAP. No internet? No problem. It'll sync automatically when the connection is restored. Once synced, supervisors can immediately review and create work orders, assigning the right technician for the job. Technicians get all the info they need, description, photos, and equipment details, right on their mobile device. Whether you're in manufacturing, oil and gas, or any asset-intensive industry, Unvired Mobile EAM's notification feature helps you minimize downtime, improve response times, and maximize productivity. Say goodbye to paper forms and delays. Embrace the future of maintenance with Unvired Mobile EAM. Ready to revolutionize your maintenance process? Contact us today for a demo and experience the power of mobile notifications.